Okay, hi everyone, my name is Leo and I live from Central Shop and it's very close to my home and actually we're making Baby Muffins today.
That's right, and I'm Adam from Community Pharmacy Scotland. Now, the last couple of weeks you've had some amazing loaf from Harry and you've had a cracking tray bake from Amanda Ray, and this week it's our turn. So, Leo was right there. What is it we're making for everyone today?
Baby Muffins!
Baby Muffins, and they're Leo's very favourite. So what you need to do first, it's a very simple recipe, a great one to have with kids, because it's all just fling it in the bowl and then get it cooked. What you'll need is a great big bowl like this. We've measured out all our ingredients already, and as you'll see, due to an earlier outtake, we've already cracked 2 eggs into here.
Yes, of course we have.
We have, yeah, so we need to set our oven at 180 degrees.
Yes.
Alright, and so that is heating up over there. And once we've got the 2 eggs cracked in, the next thing that we're looking for, Leo, is 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. So if you want to help me with that and tip it right in there.
All
the full thing. Hey, perfect. Now that looks funny, doesn't it? Great. So we're going to put all of our dirty bowls just to the side for washing later. So it's very, very easy, very straightforward, and great fun, and a bit of a mess. So we're going to do that with yogurt. Not too much of a big mess, because Mummy is right there. Okay. So next thing that we have is 3/4 of a cup of oil, just vegetable oil. Anyone will do. So pop that straight in there as well.
I'll pour it.
Whoa. Pour it right in the middle. Perfect. So again, due to an earlier outtake. Whoa! It's all splitting up, so it looks really fun there. Okay, so that's the oil done. Now what we're going to do as well is the next big one. Daddy's going to take this one. So it is a huge big bowl of flour. So that is 2.5 cups worth of flour.
And I'm going to have this one.
Right. So what we do is we pour this in like this. Now it's been pre-sifted, so Mum did that for us. So we pop that in there, and you're right. That is the next one that goes in. So what that is 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So you tip that right in there, Leo, thank you. And then the very last one before we do anything is this. Now what's this? Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, everyone.
So there's 3/4 of a cup in there. You tip that all in, thank you very much.
And I'll pour it all over the white top.
All over the white top, right. So now you can see this looks like a big fantastic mess, and we are going to get Leo to start with this whisk, and you're going to start mixing that in, okay, and Daddy will help you too. Okay, so mix it up as quick as you can. Okay, and we'll just keep going round like this until it is thoroughly mixed.
Filling.
Yeah, so you can see the yogurt and the eggs and everything mixing in there, and it's a great fun one now if you've got really clean hands. Oh jeez, it's all getting clumped up inside of that. Right, you keep stirring then and it'll all come out. Good job. Now, it said earlier what you'll need as well is a set of muffin trays. So we've got 2 sets here, and we've put wee muffin cases in there as well, so they're sitting ready for us to put this mixture in. Now, I said at the start it was easy, it really is. Almost all the ingredients are already in here. We've just got the magical last ingredient to go in once we've mixed this all nice up.
And that is all the fruit.
All the fruit. Now, what sort of fruit is it?
My favourite fruit.
Your favourite fruits and berries. So we've got blackberries, we've got raspberries, and we've got all sorts going on in there. Blueberries. So just frozen ones, you can get them from any supermarket, pick them up, and whoa. Oh dear, I messed your hand up. Now you can flex the amount of berries in there, depending on what you fancy. So we've gone for around about a cup, and 1.5 cups or so of mixed frozen berries. And what we're going to do is we're just going to tip them in at the last bit there. Now you don't want to over bash them about, so what we're going to do is we're going to get all this mixture.
And I'm a bit too crazy, man.
You're a bit too crazy sometimes, so we don't want to bash up the fruit too much. What we're going to do is we're going to get it all out of our whisk.
Sometimes I'm going to use left to mix all of them up, and sometimes I'm going to splash it on that.
Oh, please don't splash it on my face. But you're right, that is what we're going to use next, because we're going to fold the fruit in carefully, right? So you help me, right? This is what we do.
Let's roll some fruit and die.
No,
I'm going to the people.
We're not going to fold it into Daddy's eyes. So we're going to keep doing this for just now, and as you can see, it is starting to look like quite a tasty mixture.
Why is there no oil in it?
There is, you already put the oil in, pal, from the yellow cup, remember?
No, I didn't.
Now we had very nearly 3/4 of a cup of oil, but earlier on Leo mistook it for water, so there was a sip out of it.
Yes,
There we go. Right, now, as you can see, it's getting really, really sticky, which is great. That's exactly the consistency we're looking for.
And then I'm going to get these, and I'm going to put a spoonful in there, and 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 there.
You're absolutely right. There are 12 muffin cases looking for a spoonful each of this now. You just start with a spoonful in each, and you'll be left with some of the mixture. But then what you want to do is just fill them out so that they're all equal. So we're going to just do one for just now to show you what that looks like.
Of course, yeah, everyone.
Yep.
And actually, I might eat one.
You might eat it, well, you're not going to eat it until it's cooked. Now, what we do is we do that there. So roughly about this much here, and we're not going to do that for you just now. We'll do that off camera, fill them all in, and then we're going to stick them in the oven for around about 15 minutes or so.
Yes, of course, yeah, everyone.
Wow. And we're going to try and calm down a bit in the meantime. So once we're out of the oven, we'll get back to you and we'll help you find out how they're all nice and cooked. So Leo's going to get on with this just now. Hi everyone, that's us back around 20-25 minutes later. It took a wee bit longer in the oven than we thought. But who's joined us, Leo? Who's here that wasn't here before?
My babysitter Cornelia, and I really love her so much, but she's a bit because she's not there.
That's right, this is Ella. So what you do, guys, once these have made their way out of the oven, you just take a clean knife, find the biggest one, straight through and back out, and just make sure it's clean and doesn't have any soggy mixture still left on it. Now you'll see what we did when we brought these out a good few minutes ago. We took the cases out of the muffin tray and put them on this wire rack so they could cool and we don't end up with any soggy bottoms. So before we get munching into these, we just need to say that, here we go.
Good job, pharmacy team!
Good job, pharmacy teams, absolutely. It's incredible the amount of work that the pharmacy teams are doing just now, isn't it? They're helping out all the people who don't feel too well and who need their medicine and need looked after, which is great. We're also working very closely with our charity partners on this, cheeky, who are Alzheimer Scotland. So in the bio below, whatever media you're watching this on, there should be details about how to donate there if you feel like you can, which would be great, and if you found this fun. There's also details of the ingredients and the method for this recipe if for some reason you didn't pick up exactly how to do it or follow us. So all that's left to do is eat, as Leo has already taken forward. And you know, the best thing about this recipe, and a top secret tip, see if some of them don't work out like this, there's an amazing easy way to make yourself feel like a Michelin starred patisserie chef, and that is find yourself a baby. Any baby will do, but if it's your own, that's preferable. And hey, see if you give them a wee bit.
They'll just eat all that.
Munch. They're that happy. Right, thanks very much for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll maybe see you the next time once a couple of other CPS team members have had a shot. Right, cheerio, bye. Say bye bye. Say bye, Ella. Looking at her mum.